Okay, so the quiz is created and you've come back to this page. And so to look at the quiz, you're just going to click on this. Okay, and you'll get this message that no questions have been added. Okay, so what you want to do is click on Edit Quiz. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, and the first thing I want to do is to add questions. Okay, so I'm going to add them from the question bank. Okay, and you're going to search for the category. Okay, and so it's all the way down here, and so I'm going to click on that. Okay, I'm going to add all of them to the quiz or to the homework assignment. Okay, and you'll see that they are all on separate pages. Okay, so probably you don't want to have them all on separate pages, so you're going to repaginate. Let me just change that to 16, and now they're all on one page. Okay, if you wanted to separate them, let's say you separate them into 4 questions per page, you could just click on this icon here, and you would have 4 pages. Okay. Quite often the order of the questions is mixed up, and if the order of the questions is important, then you're just going to have to look at the questions and you're going to have to move them. So for example, if this one needed to be first, I just would click on this icon and I would slide it up to here. Okay, and you'd have to do that for each one. Okay, and then the next step would be to change the marks for each item. Okay, the default is 1 point for each one. If that's okay, then you don't have to do anything. But if you wanted to give them 2 points or 3 points, then you'd click on this pencil icon, change it to 2, and click enter, and it would be changed. Okay, you have to do that for each one. Okay, and then you have to come up here and so there's a possibility of 17 points, and so you want to make sure that the maximum grade matches that, and so you're going to have to change that to 17, and you're going to click on save. Okay, so there. Okay, all right, and so that's all set, and so I can go back to this and I can preview the quiz. Okay, and you see that this is all set. Okay, on each page. If I needed to make any changes, I could edit it here. So for example, I think when we did this, we wanted to make this put this in bold, so I'd have to edit, and I'd have to click on that and change this to bold like that. Okay, and then go all the way down to save changes. Another thing, maybe I don't want this, I want this on a separate line, so I would click on that and click there. Okay, so now it would be on 2 lines. If I didn't want to have ABC, then here under number the choices, I would go here and click on no numbering. If, this is 100%, so multiple choice, you don't have to do anything really. But if you had extra answers, other answers that would be acceptable, you're going to have to add more. And so for example, you'd click on this and there would be another place where you could add, where was it? So for example, if there was another choice, for here, you would put the answer in here, you'd make sure that this was 100%, All right, and then you'd have to slide down here and save the changes. Okay? Okay, so now you see this is in bold and this is on a separate line, and there's not an A, B, C, D. All right, and so that's what we would do for the online assignments. Okay.